All right, guys, I hope you can hear me, but I just got this package in. It is the Ayamaya four-season tent. It is a two-person tent. It approximately weighs, it says here 6.7 pounds in the box. And I think that sounds about right. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And let's see what we got. There we go. There's one side. I got one orange and one green. And it looks like this is the green one. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Ooh. So right away, I'm seeing it comes with a nice carrying case right here. It's got some nice buckles here that adjust the tension. We'll go ahead and unbuckle that. Let's see what we got in here. It's very light, guys, very light. There it is, Ayamaya. Ayamaya. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know, it's my first time buying this product. But, whew, looks good. Looks good so far. But here's the bag. And it's got a nice instruction manual. And that's what we got right there, the instruction manual. Put that down up there. This is a nice, sturdy, braided tie here. So I'm thinking that we better hang on to that so that we can tie it back up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and face this camera down a bit so that we can take a look at this on the ground, I think. So straight away, it's very light. Let's see what we got. This feels like the poles. So these are the tent poles. Go ahead and put those down there. These are what feel like the pegs. Stakes. Looks like we got a storage bag of some sort. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll put that together. Let's see. We have the rain fly. Wow, this is much bigger than I thought. This is great. And that's the rain fly. And this is going to be the tent itself, the two-man tent. I'm going to go ahead and place this out. Oh my gosh. So right away, I'm seeing it's got covers a lot of ground here. It covers a lot of ground. And this is going to be nice and spacious, I think, for my boys. And I may pick up one too. Now, this has two doors. One on this side and one on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and fix this up. I'll start with the pegs. I mean the tent poles. Let's go ahead and unwrap these tent poles here. I should probably get my GoPro, put that on for a different perspective. Wow, look at that. Look at those tent poles, folks. They're nice, let's say bungee aluminum, lightweight. Go ahead and set that up. That's obviously a cross pole there. Go ahead and set this one up. Now I don't know the time that it promises to put it up, and I frankly don't really care about that. Though it matters to some people. I'm more worried about putting it up right than putting it up fast. However, I'm sure it matters in some certain circumstances, especially the winter time. You want to get out of the cold real quick. Yeah, so these are the these are the pegs right here. Might put that up together. So here's my bag. Here's my instructions. And it says that I'm supposed to have another piece there. And I don't see it yet. We'll take a look. We'll see. Maybe it's someplace else here. But I don't see it. That's okay. This may not be that model. Right away, you see, I'm going to go ahead and put this into this grommet here. Each one of these are what looks to me like they're notched so that they don't run away from the peg or the grommet here at the end. Then I'll get the other side. Get the other side here and should be a business. Go. This side here. Here we go. And get this over here. You know what I like about this, I've noticed right away, is that there aren't any sleeves to roll through with the tent poles, which is nice because, and I'll tell you in a second, I don't have to mess around with trying to align it. And you usually get those with the bigger tents, but they're on the smaller tents too. I'm gonna go ahead and put that down in there. And now it's just a matter of clipping it, I think. Clips. Oh man, this is so much easier. So much easier. So far I'm liking it, folks. It's an easy clip style. Now my hands are freezing cold at the moment. But I was too eager to get this package open as soon as I got the notification. But so far so good. We've got the clips going on. I see another grommet here, which I'm thinking is for that shorter pole. And see, with this here, we could start off at the top, not so much the bottom. But that's the beauty about having these clips, is that we're able to do that here, right? And attach it and just kind of track through. Makes it easy. Alrighty. So that for that. Get all these in. So far so good. It's been a real easy setup so far, and it's got a lot of space in there. A lot of space. All right, now I've got this one little piece right here, and that goes on the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift that up just a tiny bit and show you. Look at that. There is a grommet here as well, and I'm guessing I would put it through, maybe, yeah, put it through there. Go to the other side, put it in this other grommet on the other side, corresponding other side, and then what looks to me like I should take this now. There, it looks like there's a toggle and ring. All right. So far, so good. Look at the space in here. A lot of space. A lot of space. Okay, so I'm guessing we should do the rain fly. But before I do that, let me show you some space. So here it is. It's the Four Seasons. We got a door on this side. Right, you can zoom out a little bit. Got his door on this side and zips up nice all the way to the bottom. We've got around from here to there. From here we've got what looks to me at least 16 inches. So that's good because you're going to be laying down theoretically below that, kind of below that window there. And here is that centerpiece there. Now I've just got it kind of toggled there. I'm pretty sure I could push that in a little bit further and get it further along. It's probably best to do that, but I'm not doing it right now. It's got a lot of ventilation, so a lot of mesh, and again, at least 16 inches, if not more. Lots of space. You can go in here and take a look. I mean, guys, we're looking at least 7 feet of space here. You could fit a small cot. Matter of fact, I will introduce a small cot here pretty soon. This unzips like that, and what looks to me like a few toggles and loops so that you can simply roll it up and then use this to kind of get that in there. And this way it can hold up that door just like that. And same on the other side, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and zip that up and I'll get a cot in there too. So again, this has a door on each side, and the beauty here is that you can open this up, roll this up, right? And now use that toggle and strap to, I'm not doing this very well, but trust me, it goes on well. Now go ahead and do the bottom. There we go. We have it rolled up just like that. Now let's get the rain fly on. See if I can align this correctly. Oh yeah. All right, so it looks like we've got some weather seams, weather taping here on this. It looks pretty cool. That helps keep this weatherproof here at the seams so that rain doesn't get in. Otherwise, wouldn't be a very good rain fly now, would it? So I think I will determine where the door is. Aha, here it is. So it looks like it does fit. This is the Ayamaya 4-season 2-person tent. And it looks more like a 1-person comfy. So that's a cot. Ozark Trail. And you've got space here for changing and what have you, bags or whatever. But you also have this outside vestibule, and you have it on both sides. There's doors on each side, so you can get out on this side. You can keep all your stuff on the other side. You know, I guess you could have a camper lay down there, open the door there, and gather all your other things there in the vestibule. It's great. You know, we could tie back the doors. It's got nice mesh for, you know, I guess keeping it nice and ventilated. Of course, we could. It's got the outer skin, right? The rain fly help keep air from coming in. And then for vapor and ventilation management, we have these here that you can. Right now it's open, but we can close it too, just like that. Velcro holds it down. We also have the toggles here that we can roll these up, right, and kind of strap them together. There's a nice strap at the bottom. There's nice seams here. It's also weather taped, so you know it keeps the rain from coming in. Again, this is the other side with the other vestibule. Again, tie backs right there. We can open this up. It's real easy. I love how it's just one hand. Usually I have to put the camera down, but you roll that up, right? And toggle that back. And then the same on this side. Now, a camper can be laying down there. That's for their night. They're way below the section here. They can store all their bags there and reach on over, get what they need, close it back up without getting exposed to direct weather. Anyhow, that beep beep was my wife. She saw me recording. She went beep beep beep. So here we can close that down. We're good there. So that is the Ayamaya 2-person 4-season tent. And we're going to be giving this a try this weekend. There's the cot.